So here next coming to the certification tracks. So Cisco is going to provide three level of certifications like CCNA, CCNP and CCIE. CCNA stands for Cisco Certified Network Associate and Professional Level, and Cisco Certified Internet Network Expert. So majorly Cisco is going to deals with this major three level of certifications. So in that we have entry level, associate, specialist, professional and expert level certifications. So here coming to the Cisco, Cisco is a leading manufacturer for all the networking devices like switches, firewalls, routers, voice devices, data centers, wireless, collaboration kind of thing. Okay, so now if you want to know more about in detail about the Cisco certifications, you can always visit the website of cisco.com, or else you can go with this link. So coming to the previous tracks and now current version, so we'll see what are the difference between previous version and new release. Okay, so coming to the previous version before February 20, before February 2020. So in each and every track we have different tracks in CCNA, like CCNA routing and switching, then service provider, then security, then data center, then wireless, etc. So now after February 2020, this all tracks was retired and we have just one certification called CCNA. So which is going to include all the topics, which is going to cover routing, switching, security, wireless, data center and programming kind of things, all with this just one name called CCNA, Cisco Certified Network Associate. Before this we have different tracks, as I said, routing, switching, service provider, security, data center, wireless, collaboration, etc. But now just we have only one CCNA, which is going to include all the topics of all the technologies, which is going to cover in a theoretically. Okay, so now next coming to the CCNP level. CCNP in latest update we have something called enterprise. In this we have something called EN core exam. So if you want to get certified this CCNP, you need to pass this exam, which is a core paper, we call it as. This one is a core. In this you have some concentration exams, exams of some X papers. So in order to get certified this CCNP, you need to pass this core exam. Then in this concentration exam, you need to pick any one of the track and you can go with that one. So if you want to get certified, either you can first go with concentration exam, then after that you can write core, or else you can first start with core, then you can choose any one of the concentration exam. So the order might be anything, but in order to get the CCNP, you have to pass this one of the core exam, then any one of the concentration exam. So I'll list the concentration exams. What are the concentration exams, which is going to cover in this in my slides. Then next coming to the CCIE. Previously before 2020 of February, in order to get certified the CCIE, first we have something called written exam. Then after that you have to book a lab for that. But now if you want to pursue your career into CCIE, then you have to write this core exam, EN core, which is a core paper, which is going to act like a prerequisite for your CCIE as well. And coming to the CCNA exam, completely it was a computer based exam. which was run and administered by view.com. Always, if you want to book a slot, always you can visit the view.com. As of now, for the current CCNA, which includes the cost of $300 plus 18% GST, the exam duration will be 90 minutes. For non-English speaking countries, it may vary. Let's say 120 minutes for exam. The questions which is going to ask you that 50 to 55 questions in this, and the question types was like multiple choice, testlets, drag and drop, simulated lab, and simulates. So these are the question types which is going to ask you in the exam. And coming to the contents, which is going to cover in the new syllabus of CCNA, which is networking fundamentals, network access, IP connectivity, IP services, security fundamentals, and automation and programmability. So, comparing to the new syllabus and old syllabus, mostly 70% of the syllabus was same. Just programmability and API and cloud computing and virtualization technologies and wireless LAN controllers. Theoretically, we are going to discuss all these things extra in this new syllabus. That's it. So if you are familiar with the old series, then it is good enough so that you can easily grasp the things which was added into the new syllabus.